another Epicflows Production.
Hello, class. My name is Mrs. Puff, and the only reason I say that is because I see we have a new student.
Mrs. Puff? Oh, yeah, we did.
Young man, why don't you stand up and introduce yourself?
Yo, brother, I'm here you that we did you talk to.
You!
How she?
She's the teacher!
Teacher? I one teacher me know about, and I know him that. Cause I say.
Come on now, tell the class your name. Don't be nervous.
Listen me we did. Me name not change. Allow me alone.
Young man?
Woman, we not go find a man and allow me alone. I want go on. You come for harass me. It's a prostitution class this. You know see your skirt don't cover up your body. You're not even have no panty. Your big and look like barrel like. Ugly no backside. Your lip them big like say was kiss you. Your lipstick not even cover the whole of your lip. How you get that hairstyle then? You know say your wig not fit you. Them say style can't spoil. But my God man, your style want bag up and dash way.
We just want to know your name.
Wait, is a man you look? First you want to know my name. Next thing you gotta ask me number and my address. You know fit to be my side girl, Mrs. Puff, so no bother with it. A sponge boy you look like your type though. You make the people them a laugh off for you now. Go on in your seat man. Maka must see you in your body, you can't sit down.
Oh great, another genius.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Ready for epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.